Greeting, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can use shape as a text box. As you know, shape is totally different from text box. We're going to show you exactly how you can actually use it just the same here on the document, right? If you come up to the top and click on insert. When you click on insert, you see insert that come. If you notice right here, it is text box. If you click on text box, definitely and click like that. You notice you can actually move up. You can type originate, right? But what we want it is to go to shape, right? So we're going to click back on insert again, and then we're going to come right and click on shape. So we're going to select one of these box. So we're going to actually go on the left side of the mouse and drag it like that, right? Notice it give you that color, right? I can come right at this little pointer right here, and I can give it this black one. Notice it clearing it, but I wanted to type something right, right? Definitely. I want to type something. If I press, you notice the type just the same in it. Good. Otherwise, you could of course put the cursor right here on it and this and enter just the same. Right? So very important. So this is exactly how you actually use it. Right? So if I put something in there and say greetings in it like that, if you notice the box is still there. I wanted to move it. So I'm going to click back the box. Notice I'm going to go up here and say shape fill. We're going to say no fill. We're going to go up here and say shape outline. Click and say no outline. Right? And if you notice, just like that, you come like this, you do the same thing just like that. Can you really do this to the text box? Alright, let's just look at the text box. Come over here, you get the text box, just the same. You're gonna type the same thing in it, just the same. Right? So you notice we can move the text box just the same. But if you notice the line still around the text box, you also click. You can come right up here, say shape fill, and you can say no fill. Comparison say shape outline. They say no outline. If you notice, none of them do have the time, but if you click right here, sure you can move this. But if you come nice and click, sure you can move it. So you can both use shape and also text box right here in the Microsoft Word document. So thanks for watching. See you in